Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 C300 4MATIC. This one's iridium silver metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights, 17-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black MB-Tex interior, sunroof. Come around back, a rear spoiler, C300 4MATIC badging. Open up the tailgate, we got a set all season and regular floor mats. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist. Burmeister sound system, a dark brown linden wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Rear view backup camera. Dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 43,542 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.